Hello, and welcome back to the Bachelor Kitchen. I'm your host Mark, and on this channel we make food that's easy to make, delicious, and good for you. Today we're making Reuben sandwiches, a classic of American deli culture dating from the early 20th century. This sandwich won the 1956 National Sandwich Idea Contest. Fern Snyder, chef at the Blackstone Hotel in Omaha in the United States, essentially formalized the Reuben as we know it and won a wood-paneled station wagon for her effort. As any sensible person will tell you, sandwich contests and wood-paneled vehicles are both ideas which need to be brought back immediately. The Reuben is a super easy to make grilled sandwich with Swiss cheese, corned beef, and sauerkraut. Traditionally, the Reuben is made with rye bread and Russian dressing, but I consider any good quality bread to be an acceptable alternative. Same goes for the cheese, so feel free to substitute any good quality cheese such as a cheddar or tasty. I'm also skipping the dressing because I'm not really into dresses. Now, onto the video.
Start by collecting all the ingredients. Use good quality bread, Swiss cheese or another good quality cheese, corned beef, butter and sauerkraut. Take the bread and butter it. Here I demonstrate how to apply butter. Hopefully you already know how to do this. Next, put the cheese on. Then take the corned beef, fold it over if it's too large, and put it on top. Finally, put the sauerkraut on top. If you've watched my previous videos, you know how I love spraying sauerkraut all over my kitchen. Here you get to enjoy watching me battle with another jar of it. However, note that at least this time I'm using a fork rather than a spoon. Now assemble your sandwich. Throw some butter into a hot frying pan. Medium-high heat. Give the butter a moment to melt. You can also use a good quality cooking oil such as olive oil if you want to use that instead. And throw the sandwich in. Cook the sandwich, keeping an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. Once it's cooked on one side, turn it over and put it on the other side. You should see the bread browning and the cheese beginning to melt. Lower the heat if you need to. Finally, take the sandwich out of the frying pan. I like to cut it in half. Notice how the cheese has started to melt and everything on the inside, all the ingredients should be nice and warm.
And here it is, the Reuben sandwich, full of delicious goodness. Perfect. See you next time on Bachelor Kitchen.